Felt stuck in a cycle of wanting to lose weight but never finding the time? Maybe you've tried different workouts, but life just keeps getting in the way. Trust me, I've been there too. But what if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could make a difference? 5 minutes to feel stronger, more energized, and more confident in your body. This simple yoga routine isn't just about losing weight. It's about proving to yourself that change is possible, even with the smallest steps. So if you're ready to take control of your health, let's do this together. Just 5 minutes, one day at a time. In this video, you will learn a quick and easy 5-minute yoga routine designed specifically for weight loss. Many people struggle to find time for exercise, leading to weight gain and health issues. We all know that exercising is essential, but it's tough to fit it into our busy schedules. As a result, we end up gaining weight, feeling sluggish, and facing various health problems. It's a vicious cycle, and it's hard to break out of it. But what if I told you there's a way to fit exercise into your daily routine, even if you only have 5 minutes to spare? That's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to focus on a yoga routine that's specifically designed for weight loss. You'll be surprised at how effective it can be, even in just a short amount of time. And the best part is that you can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, at work, or even on vacation, this routine is perfect for fitting into your busy lifestyle. This 5-minute yoga routine is not just about losing weight. It's about feeling better, both physically and mentally. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you'll start to notice a difference in how you feel. You'll have more energy, you'll be more focused, and you'll even start to sleep better. So, are you ready to get started and see the results for yourself? Let's dive in and explore this amazing 5-minute yoga routine. You will explore each yoga pose in the routine, how to perform them correctly, and the specific benefits they provide for weight loss. Let's start with the first pose, which is the downward facing dog. This pose is great for strengthening your core and your arms, which is essential for weight loss. It also helps to stretch your hamstrings and calves, which can get tight from sitting for long periods of time. To perform the downward facing dog correctly, make sure to keep your arms straight and your palms pressed firmly into the ground. Engage your core muscles to support your body and keep your legs straight. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to a minute and then release. Remember to breathe deeply and slowly while you're in the pose to get the most benefit out of it. Next up is the warrior pose. This pose is great for strengthening your legs and glutes, which is essential for burning calories and losing weight. It also helps to stretch your hips and ankles, which can get stiff from sitting for long periods of time. To perform the warrior pose correctly, make sure to stand with your feet wide apart and your arms stretched out to the sides. Engage your core muscles to support your body and bend your front knees slightly. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to a minute and then release. Remember to breathe deeply and slowly while you're in the pose to get the most benefit out of it. We'll also be doing the tree pose, which is great for improving your balance and focus. This pose also helps to stretch your ankles and calves, which can get tight from sitting for long periods of time. To perform the tree pose correctly, make sure to stand on one leg and keep the other foot resting on the inner thigh. Engage your core muscles to support your body and keep your spine straight. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to a minute and then release. Remember to breathe deeply and slowly while you're in the pose to get the most benefit out of it. The final pose we'll be doing is the plank pose. This pose is great for strengthening your core and your arms, which is essential for weight loss. It also helps to stretch your chest and shoulders, which can get tight from sitting for long periods of time. The most engaging part will be the demonstration of the final pose, which maximizes calorie burn and promotes relaxation. So let's put everything we've learned together and do a quick 5-minute workout. Remember to breathe deeply and slowly while you're doing the poses And don't forget to listen to your body and take breaks if you need to. As we come to the end of this routine, take a deep breath in and out and feel the energy coursing through your body. You've just completed a 5-minute yoga routine that's specifically designed for weight loss, and you should be proud of yourself. Take a moment to relax and enjoy the feeling of accomplishment. To wrap up, you'll summarize the benefits of the routine and remind viewers that consistency is key for weight loss. Remember, losing weight is not just about exercising. It's about making healthy lifestyle changes that you can stick to in the long term. This 5-minute yoga routine is just one part of that, and I hope you'll continue to incorporate it into your daily routine. Encourage viewers to comment on their experience with the routine and to check out your other videos for more fitness tips. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video.